Hello everyone, Steve here from Parks. We're in the pre-owned showroom and I cannot wait to tell you guys all about this 2016 Platinum Coach Cadillac XDX Phoenix. Up in the front here you have your two-way clear strobes integrated right in the back of the grille. You have your silver pinstripe with your black exterior paint. This particular model comes with the B and C pillar stainless with your crown band. This top is a full vinyl tuxedo top, which is non-padded. This prevents any wicking of water. On this side you have your full-size spare tire with additional storage on both sides. Here you have your backup camera right underneath your back bumper, which keeps your camera right out of the elements. Here you have your low door stainless treatment, which breaks up the car and makes it look a little bit more proportional. Inside, you have your 90-degree rollers and your Galloway burl floor. Here you have your electric urn carrier. This can accommodate various size urns and a baby casket if needed. Now for the church truck compartment, you can either stand up your church truck or lay it down flat, whatever your preference is. Here you have a little scuff plate from Platinum. This helps from creating damage from any kind of church truck sliding in or out. Here you have your umbrella storage. Okay. Now if you would like this car parked in front of your funeral home, we are just a call away. 1-800-229-5008, and please check out our website at www.parksuperior.com. And like us on Facebook and check out our recent deliveries. Thank you.